Okay, we continue deformer menu and we reach the formula. For assigning the formula to your object, don't hold shift because we need the box to calculate the 3D real 3D formula, mathematical formula on that. Just holding and dragging on a plane, for example, and as you can see, this is in a Y radial, and this sine formula will be shown in 3D and you can play it. It's an interesting part, you can play that. You can change all parameter. I don't want to explain the mathematical functions, but here you can insert any of that. For example, a very complex cosine function, you can Control C and Control V here. Click somewhere. As you can see, we have another function here. It is just that you have to know the mathematical functions, cosine and sine and tangent or cotangent. But it's there. You can study the function in 3D if you have a friend that is in a mathematical university. You can tell him come here and study its function here for better understanding. You can assign it to this plane, for example. Don't hold shift, just bring it here, but make sure that is exactly center of the object, or you can change it, not important. Click and drag under a sphere here. You can assign it to the 3D objects like this. For assigning, when you holding and dragging child of the sphere, you can go into the coordination manager and set all of those parameters in 0 here. Okay, you can turn the parameter 0 and make sure that it is 0, because in here we are object relative in the mode. I explained them before, but it means the position of this object, that's the child of the sphere, is relative to that. If you change the Z direction, it means the Z position is according to the center of that polygon is changing, that sphere is changing. So by setting all of those 0, you can be sure that the axis of the formula is exactly the axis of the sphere. And also you can go in here and in axis, you can use all of those tools for matching the axis of the objects together. I explained them in the previous lesson. Refer to them, please. But also you can see this effect to the object. Here in the formula, you can assign it to the X or assign it to the Z. If you want to, you can write your formula in X, Y, Z in 3D. If you want to set it in manual and write yourself, you can set it spherical mode or cylindrical mode, Y, and here you can change it, but do not fit to parent because you cannot see the effect of the formula. And we have a field. You can assign in linear fall off. It means, as you can see, the effect is 100% if you going down, and we have no formula effect, and we can activate it by a fall off. I will explain when we reach the columnar. Don't worry about that, but it's a formula and you can study mathematical formula here, and you can also use them in your project if you want. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.